Hey everybody, Implant Mike over here. I'm going to take you around the office. Come on, we're having a course right now. Don't be afraid, you can come on over. We have a program going on right here, okay? All the patients understand. We have Daniela. Daniela, turn around, wave hello to us. We have the two doctors over there. Guys, turn around, wave hello to us.
Hi.
There you go. Alrighty. That's what we do over here. Come over here. We have another doctor over here getting ready to work around. Okay, we have the patient getting ready. This is what we do, okay? Now come follow me again. We have Paola who does the PRF, getting that stuff ready, right, Pete?
Yeah.
Right. She's just got eyelashes and look at that. We got our friends over here who do our granite work and all that, and now he's coming over here and he's going to help us out. We got to help him out. He just came in today. And my friend Giuseppe, who does the marble work, he does everything for us. Come on, so we got you. Come on, follow me again. You guys stay here. Yeah. No, wait. We got Gio over here. Gio's our Ecuadorian connection, okay? So this is what Gio does for us, right, G?
Yep.
Okay. Look, she has a broken foot over here. Let me see her foot. This is what she gets for kicking me all the time, okay? She kicks me all the time, all right? All right, listen, everybody. Take care. I'm Implant Mike. Thanks for being with us. Ciao.